guys, so I'm gonna teach you about Greek mythology. Oh no! There's an earthquake, y'all. There's an earthquake under the table. Under my sister! Oh god! The baby. The child needs to hide under here because
hide under the chair.
oh my gosh, guys, it's actually so bad. Oh my god.
Help me.
You're supposed to. You want to get hurt?
Hey.
Oh my god.
Help us. This is a real earthquake on camera.
Yeah, real earthquake caught on camera, y'all. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Mom.
Oh my god. Girl, shush! We need to hide from it.
Just look at me right now.
There's a earthquake, sweetie. Hide under the chair.
Don't look at me. I don't know how.
Sweetie, there's an earthquake. Hide under the chair. Oh my god. This is actually scary. Oh my god. That was crazy.
It's time to leave.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, something outside just got flipped over.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. It just ended. It's just ended, y'all. Bye.